Prepare to elevate your space with Cozyology. In this video, we'll guide you through installing Trent curtain tracks for both single and double setups. Have a drill, screwdriver, and a pen ready to make installation smooth and precise. For shipping ease, tracks over 78 inches include connectors. Step 1. Track assembly. Connect the track sections. Then tighten the connector screws with a hex key. Loosen the screws to remove the finials and adjust the glider count. Install the overlap master carriers facing each other in the center. Secure a glider next to the finial to prevent the curtain from oversliding. For ripple fold gliders, simply insert a screw stopper between the last two gliders before attaching the finial to lock them in place. For split panels, determine the required glider count, then snip the cord at the center point. Secure the gliders as described above to enable center draw functionality. Step 2. Track installation. Mark your mounting points. Drill the holes and insert wall anchors as needed. Position the brackets and secure them. Snap on the included magnetic covers for a clean, seamless look. Align the holes of the internal washers with the wall brackets and tighten the screws. Step 3. Hanging the curtains. For pleated curtains, insert the hooks directly into the gliders. For tape buckle curtains, press the buckles into the bottom of the gliders. For belt hook curtains, hang the hooks straight onto the gliders. Your wall mount Trent track is now complete. Step 4. Ceiling mount and double tracks. Measure the clearance between your two curtain layers. Mark your points on the ceiling, drill, and insert anchors as needed. Drive screws through the holes behind the white clips on the brackets. Place the track against the back of the white clip, then rotate counterclockwise to lock. Step 5. Hanging the curtains. For tape buckle curtains, press the buckles into the bottom of the gliders. For belt hook curtains, hang the hooks straight onto the gliders. Only pleated curtains use master carriers. Hook into the gliders, placing the last hook in the center of the carrier. Repeat for the second panel. And that's it. Your Trent curtain tracks are now fully installed.